Today I show you how to clean radish leaves. Take plenty of clean water in a big vessel. Dip your greens into it. Now wash it in this way. Squeeze all the water. Now keep it aside. Squeeze all the water. Now keep it aside. Repeat it 3 to 4 times. When clean water comes out, your washing will be finished. After washing 3 to 4 times, take handful grind. Now cut into middle portion. Take in this way. Now chop it nicely. In this way. If you chopped your greens nicely, then greens dish is more tasteful. Again you take handful greens, cut it in middle part. Hold it in this way. Now again chop it. Again cut in this way. Chop it nicely. In this way you cut your greens. Now radish leaf ready to cook. Thank you. বললাম